Oh, Way, good to see you, man. Thanks for picking me up.
You joking? Of course I'm gonna pick you up. You're my boy. You okay, Jackie? They treat you all right in there?
Yeah, I'm okay. I got lucky. Someone convinced Ming's brother to say it was alone. Was that you?
Nah, I wish I thought of it, though.
Some lady cop wanted me to turn snitch. Tang something or another. I told her she could go fuck herself.
Smooth. You heard about Uncle Po, though, right?
Yeah. When's the funeral?
Soon. We should go get ready. Let's go.
Man, I can't go to a funeral like this. I look like shit. I need a suit or something.
All right, we'll pick something up. Hey, so what's the deal with that cop? You know, the lady.
Said she wanted to help me turn my life around or something. Said if I started snitching, she'd help me out. Anyways, man, forget that bitch.
You look like you could use a pork bun.
I'll take some, thanks.
Good, Heya. Why don't you have a pork bun in your hand?
I have an excellent...
These are the latest. Perfect for you.
Oh, allow me to fit you with something nice.
Elegant, but not too flashy.
You know, I never thought I'd be able to afford a suit from a place like that. Sucks that I have to get it for Uncle Po's funeral. What happened to Uncle Po?
Don't think anyone knows yet.
Yeah, I bet it was the 18K. We gotta make those assholes pay the banana.
If it was, it'll mean a war.
Shit. Used to be I'd think that was cool. Now, man, I'm not so sure. And one thing about prison, it gives you too much time to think.
Yeah?
I don't know about this life anymore, you know? I mean, it's not like I'm cut out to do anything else, but sitting in there, shit. Now we're going to a funeral. Where's the future in this shit, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I do. Been thinking about that myself lately.
Might be time for me to make a change. Maybe go into business with Jill May. Nothing big, but what the hell? Maybe all that talk about being a big deal was just...
What? Bullshit? Just bullshit?
Yeah, right.
Boozy and Hawks ready.
如果可以喺 Big Boss 批發店買到超平嘅頂級名牌鞋，點解仲要嘥錢喺第二度買貴鞋呢？
嚟我哋嘅批發店睇下，揀翻對靚鞋找。
Big Boss，我哋嘅鞋啱晒你。
You're about to hear the beautifully evocative Brahms lullaby, followed by Shostakovich's exhilarating finale from the Gadfly Suite, here on Boozy and Hawks Radio.
Naya, what the fuck are the 18K doing here?
They're here to make a show. Or maybe to start a fight. All the Sun On Yi leaders are here in one place. I don't think they expected the police to be here, though.
Never been happy to see the cops before.
Hey, where the fuck is Sonny?
fucking arresting him!
Sonny woke? I've been looking forward to this moment for a long time.
Yes, and it will make you look so good to your bosses. They might even pat you on the head like an obedient dog, right up until the time that I walk. Again.
Not this time, Sonny. Come on. Don't get your fancy shoes all muddy. Let's go, boys. We got what we came for. We're leaving.
Hey! You! You can't do this here! It's a fucking funeral! Goddamn police! Why don't you show some fucking respect, huh?
Why don't you? The 18K are about to do this city a great public service. And anyone who stays here deserves everything they get.
The cops are leaving? What the fuck? The 18K are going to...
This is gonna get bloody. Come on.
Shit! Here they come, man!
Show these motherfuckers what it means to be Sun On Yi!
Oh shit! It's happening! Get down! Get down, man! Get the fuck down!
Cover fire, over here!
Stay in cover!
Keep going!
Move up, move up!
One time we can use the police, and they leave! Keep it up!
Watch out, Wade! That guy's a damn grenade launcher! White Tyson, stay away from the gate, man!
Stay here, I'm gonna flank them down!
Just stay back!
Fucking Pendrew. Move up! I got you covered! Parking lot! Let's see how you like it.
Don't let them take cover! Firepower, use it!
We can't let this go on. We have to deal with the 18K and with the police.
All right. We need a plan. Where's Tu Chin?
He's in seclusion.
Seclusion? He's in a hotel somewhere, riding the white tiger, that fat fuck!
Perhaps you are right, Brother Lee. With Uncle Po gone, we now need a chairman who can lead us through this.
Finally, you're making some sense, Chuck. I am the strongest. I am the most feared. I say I should be chairman.
Perhaps temporarily. We should go
Wait! We need to have a proper election. That is the way it has always been done. It's the Sun On Yi Code.
Ha! You, a woman, talking of code. You should never have been allowed to be Sun On Yi.
But I was, and my contribution to this organization have been significant.
With respect, I have to agree with Sister J. We need to restore stability and order, and that means clear thinking. We should follow our tradition.
Our tradition? You've only been on Sun On Yi for a short time. What do you know about our tradition?
Nevertheless, Sister Zhang and Brother Shen are correct.
Fine. We'll have the fucking election. But I'm warning you here and now. Making anyone other than me the chairman will be disastrous for Sun On Yi.
Everyone has a vote. Our tradition allows...
What's the tradition? Ricky! It's out.